Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to service this lens. It is a Yashica 50mm 1.9, and then this is the kind of lens you will find extremely cheap on free markets, Goodwill, and then on the internet a bit everywhere. And then the usual problem they will have is that they have either fungus or haze inside. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to open this lens and clean it. That is extremely simple, so we're going to do that just now. So first thing we're going to do is to remove the beauty ring, and then to do that I will need just a cone of the right size, and then this guy usually comes out very easy. And then with the ring out, we still need to unscrew this part, and then just let me get a slightly bigger cone, and then usually it comes also really easy. And then with that we have reached the center of the lens, and then we open here to discover the inside of the lens. So in our case here the lens has a bit of fungus and of haze on the rear part. So let's try looking at it with the black glass. So you will okay, so here you go. You can see it is very dirty, a bit of fungus, and then a bit of haze, and then here as well you have this surface as well, which is not very pretty. So we reach what we want to reach. We don't need to disassemble further the lens, because yeah, we got what we got, and then now we are going to clean it. So what I'm going to do is to start by this. So for the cleaning of this part, let's center that, and then I have my lens cleaning fluid. This is the one I use. I have my HTMC. I think you can find it on the video description for a link. And then if you don't have it and then you want to do the clean immediately, you can use isopropyl alcohol, and then that will work, even though the results are going to be difficult to get since that guy leaves some white traces. Okay, so first cleaning we do, I use a microfiber cloth which is a bit older, and then you can see immediately that the results are really bad. We'll probably need to clean this guy because you are seeing the traces there. But here you go, clean now, and then to be 100% sure is I put one more time lens cleaning fluid, and then I come with a cleaner and newer microfiber cloth, and then the result, I'm happy with it. So what I need to do is just to try that on the lens. Okay, and then here on the deeper part, that will be a bit more difficult to access there, unless you want to bother to remove the other part of the lens. So the accessibility here will be a bit more limited. But then what you can do, and then you will see then two different methods of cleaning, is to use lens cleaning paper here. It's just going to put in position, and then with the lens pen that I actually use just to push the paper around, do the cleaning, and then you see the thing comes out a bit dirty. And then here we can come and check that. Okay, I probably need to clean this back part because it's a bit dirty, so we never know if we're seeing the lens surface or dirt in the black glass. So, okay. Okay, seems quite clean to me. So that's it for the cleaning. You saw it is extremely simple to do. Oh, okay. This cap is not holding right. Okay, and then there are some traces of alcohol that were on the blades, but since it is alcohol, it will evaporate. So that's for that. Then to reassemble, we put back this element. We just need to make sure it enters right. So you feel you need to force too much, just go back and start all over again. And then here we put the beauty ring. And then you can use the rubber tools if you want to tighten everything a lot, but it's not needed. And then here you go. I paid, I think, €5 for this lens, and now I can enjoy it for a really long time. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.